People, today was a red day. And what do we like to do on a red day? We like to buy. And we like to buy for sure. If you don't know me, I'm Jeremy Waller. What's up? What's up? This is my channel. Welcome. On this part or this segment of my channel, when I go live, I talk about the stock market and what I've been doing in the stock market, right? So I've been in the stock market, just so you guys know, since 2015. Bro, these are the days, we buy. I bought the dip and I'm not stopping. And I love it, when it's on these dips because the place that I'm in, bro, we keep on cooking. So, what do we do in the public portfolio? Let's get straight to it. We bought NBIS ticker symbol, Nebius Group. Why? Because I feel like this one's going to be a run up based on the factual information. Now, we're not loading the boat, right? We're just chilling and buying some stock, bro, like DCA, dollar cost average, right? So I'm trying to lower my average cost down at these places. So ticker symbol NBIS. What else did we buy today in the public portfolio? We bought, and the reason that we bought NBIS because my average cost is $219, right? So when I was looking at the market today, it was about 188 for Nebius. And guys, if you don't know what Nebi is, Google Finance, bro. Put it in Google, put it in whatever investing app you do and make it count. I'm just giving you some what I'm doing and how we're going to create generational wealth with in long-term investing. These companies that we bought today, some of them aren't my long play, so I'm obviously writing it out to the year end in the public portfolio, and then I'll review it at the year end, which is this year, and see if I need to consolidate and stuff, right? Another one we added is the ETF for quantum computing, WQTM. Again, we just DCA into them, dollar cost averaging. My average cost on display was 37.84. Current price, obviously, these prices are when I bought, it was 32.12, right? So that if you want to get into quantum computing, this is the ETF that I'm buying, WQTM, right? It has Rigetti, it has, bro, just watch IONQ and so on, D-Wave. So yeah, if you're into the quantum computers and you want to see the long run in quantum computers, this is the ETF that I'm buying. Again, WQTM, right? Again, this is all this information. I can't tell you what to buy or hold or sell. I'm not a financial certified advisor. What I can tell you is what I'm doing in the market to grow wealth. Another one we ended buying was Marvell Technology. Again, DCA into that play, ticker symbol MRVL. Look it up and see what this company does. It's one till the year end. We're holding and seeing what happens. Then we'll review it. Our average cost in the public portfolio is 264.54. When we bought it, it was 196.25. So again, dollar cost average into these plays. Long term growth. Another one we bought is COHR, Coherent, right? When average cost is 367.94, when we bought it, it was 288.38. So, bro, we just dollar cost average these plays till year end and see. What I want to tell you is, I added a lot of other plays in my private portfolio. Now, when it comes to the private portfolio, I added more SPMO. These are the top 100 of the 500 S&P companies, so momentum stocks. When the market's shaky like how it is for the last couple of days, SPMO as an ETF rides that wave. So in terms of if it falls, it falls. But once it goes up, it's also riding the wave. So it goes up as well as fast. Yes, VOO is your safer bet, but SPMO, bro, if you want to make some moonies, that's what your boy is doing. That's the ETF. So we bought more ELF, we bought more SPMO, we bought more Netflix. Why not? Right? I'm loading the boat on Netflix in my private portfolio, not on the public portfolio, on the private. But I just wanted to share what we be doing in the private portfolio. Amazon, Apple, Celsius, Cheesecake Factory, we sold, and we sold Uber. Now the reason I'm shouting out these names, some of you all who watch this video don't follow me on Instagram. That's all right. But if you guys want to know what I'm regularly buying in my private portfolio and at what price points, hit that link and follow me. Right on. So today It was a red day, and like I say always, I like buying on red days for the long term. I'm a long term investor, so guys, that's what you wanna, like my hat says, make money, bro. Make money. Forget the rest. Just make money. You wanna make money? I'm doing this. What I'm doing is I'm buying the dips. I like to buy dips, and that's what I like to buy. I like to buy dips because when the market goes up, I get all those gains. People are panicking, people are selling, people are saying Netflix isn't going to do this, Amazon's not going to do this, Elf Beauty is not going to do this. I'm buying it. I'm not telling you what to do. Do your own DD, do your own due diligence, buy what you need to buy, invest in what you need to invest, but have the research, do the homework. I shot a couple of videos out about Google Finance. Review all these tools, AI tools that we have on hand, and see what analysts are saying. Teach yourself how to make money on your money, right? So creating wealth. There's a lot of money out there. If you never started investing, bro, I have some links below. I'm not affiliated with these companies. They're my referral. So if you use my link, you get some stock. I'll get some stock. It's a referral link. Nothing more, nothing less. But if you haven't started investing, bro, for me, it's been working. It's been working. I'm creating. If you follow my channel, this segment, you can look at the public portfolio I share with you guys. I show you reds, I show you greens, full transparency. That's what I'm about, right? So that's what we bought in the public portfolio. Like I said, right, the weekends ended. I mean, not the weekend's about to start. The week's ended. So happy weekend to everybody. Hope you guys have a great week. End, but I don't try to follow all the noise, the geopolitical issues and whatever, bro. I'm here to have my money make money, and that's what I'm doing. But I wanted to share with you guys. You guys know, on green days, I don't go live. I don't like going on live on green days. However, in green days, I break down the public portfolio, telling you why we're getting into these plays, why not, why does JW, that's me, investing in stocks like this. And the public portfolio is basically if I'm 18, 19, 20 into 2026, that's what I'm buying. Yes, you can buy the same stocks if you're an older age, but the public portfolio is basically an aggressive growth portfolio that I've built, and I'm building. I started with 1,000, it hit 5, from 5 to 10, 10 to 11 today, right? So the next goal is 12, 12, 15, and so on, right? Guys, remember, like, there are a lot of opportunities out there, especially at times like this. What's up, guys? What's up? Hey, Autumn, how you doing, bro? And the wifey's in here. So I just want to say, like, if you do your due diligence, you invest in companies that you believe are, and you believe in yourself that you're in this for the long term, you're gonna make stuff happen, bro. On that note, peace, one love, make it happen. The wife and I'm gonna watch Odyssey today. So we heard it's a banger of a movie. Rotten Tomatoes gave it about 96%. So I'll let you guys know how the movie goes. But yeah, we're gonna check out Odyssey in a bit. If you guys watch Odyssey, let me know in the comments. If you guys are investing, let me know in the comments. Like I said, bro, we are adding more, and we're not loading the boat. We're DCing in. Why? Because next week, if the market's open on Monday, and it falls more, I'm adding more in these plays. On that note, guys, peace out. One love. Keep investing. Make it happen.